Hi guys! Today, let's paint a beautiful butterfly. Even kids in your house can paint this. It's that easy. Create a new sketch 1536 by 2048. Select the option Symmetry. The brush I am using is paint Tapered. Start drawing an outline of the butterfly. Use the option Fill to fill in the color. I'm using Transform to position the butterfly. Select Predictive Stroke and Symmetry together. I'm using Fill here. Create a new layer for background texture. Select Paint Splatter for brush. Use different colors. It looks pretty. Select Predictive Stroke. Let's draw flowers. Use Fill to fill different colors in the flowers. Select Symmetry and fill in colors. Here, I am using a darker shade. Select Smudge round bristle brush to blend the colors. Use the option Fill to change the color of your butterfly. Select Symmetry and add some more dark shades to the wings. Smudge and blend the colors. Select the butterfly layer and duplicate it. Select HSL adjustments and change the lightness to -100. Select Transform and position it for the shadow effect. Let's adjust the opacity. Create a new layer and place it below all the layers. Use the option Fill to fill in the color. I'm using a darker shade here. It gives a soft gradient texture. Select the brush Camo and let the color scatter as so. It looks cool, isn't it? And you're done. Let me know if you liked this tutorial in the comments below. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay creative.